Everyone thinks they understand food and water on a hike. Bring a snack, bring a water bottle. Problem solved, right? Wrong. Food and water are probably the most misunderstood of the 10 essentials. And the mistake people make with these two is the one that gets people in real trouble. If you're new here, my name is Bev, and this is Adventure Seeking. On this channel, we talk about hiking, backpacking, and how to actually stay safe out there. This video is part of my series called The Lie About the 10 Essentials. Because the lie isn't that the essentials don't work. The lie that just carrying them makes you prepared. Today we're talking about food and water. And more importantly, not just carry them, but how you carry them, how you use them, and how you plan with them. Here's the big lie about food on the trail. Most people pack food for hunger. Experienced hikers pack food for emergencies. They are not the same thing. If you pack that thinking, I'll be back for dinner, you're packing wrong. Because the food essential is not about lunch. It's about getting lost, being stuck overnight, injury, weather delays, taking longer than expected. Food is not just for calories. Food is for energy, warmth, and decision-making ability. When your body runs out of calories, you get cold, you get clumsy, you make bad decisions, you panic faster, you fatigue quicker. Food is not comfort. Food is fuel. What kind of food should you carry? Not a sandwich, not something that spoils, not something that melts, not something you only want to eat for lunch. You want food that's high calorie, small, lightweight, doesn't freeze, doesn't melt, doesn't spoil, and can be eaten while walking. My go-tos are nuts, trail mix, protein bars, jerky, electrolyte chews, dried fruit, anything with peanut butter. And here's the rule. Most hikers don't follow. Always pack more food than you think you need. Not a lot more, just about one extra day more. Because the food essential is really extra food, not just food. Now let's talk about the one that causes more rescues than mostly anything else, water. Here's the lie about water. People think the essential is just carrying water. The essential is actually being able to get water. Big difference, because water is heavy. And depending on your hike, you might not be able to carry all the water you need for your hike. So smart hikers do two things. They carry water and they carry a way to filter it. That second one is the part that beginners miss. And it's one of the most important things you can carry. Because dehydration will take you down faster than hunger, faster than being cold, faster than being tired. When you're dehydrated, you get dizzy, you get confused, you get headaches. Your muscles stop working well. Your decision-making drops. Ask me how I know. Water is not just comfort. Water is survival. You usually don't realize it's happening until you're on your way there. Try to keep cognitive about drinking before you start getting dehydrated. So here's the real skill most people don't learn. Water planning. Before every hike, I ask, how long is my hike? How much water do I need per hour? Is there water on the trail? Are there streams? Do I need to carry all of it, or can I filter? Is it going to be hot? Is there elevation? That's the difference between a person who hikes and a person who is prepared to hike. Search and rescue will tell you this over and over again. One of the most common reasons people get in trouble is simple. They run out of water, or they run out of energy. Not just that they didn't bring enough food and water, but because they didn't bring enough, or they didn't bring a way to get more. That's the difference between carrying the essentials and understanding the essentials. So let's recap. The truth about food and water. Food is not about lunch. Food is about extra energy for emergencies. Water is not just about what you carry. Water is about what you can access. And the real essential is planning behind both of them. Because gear without a plan is just weight in your backpack. In the next video in this series, we're talking about first aid, and not just what to carry, but what you actually need to know before you need it. Because first aid is another one of those misunderstood essentials. And it's not about the gear, it's about the knowledge. If you're getting some benefit from my 10 essential videos, be sure to click my playlists on the other videos featuring emergency shelter, navigation, fire, and more. Or subscribe for more tips on exploring your world. If there's something you'd like to see in New Hampshire, or more tips on hiking, backpacking, or car camping, please leave your question or comment down below. Until next time, see you on the trail.